this is what I get for my birthday. Do you mind? I'm trying to do my intro, guys. David Fine and Sophie, we're here, guys. It's the Pompano Beach or Hillsborough Inlet. It's my birthday. Happy birthday, me. And check out that hat, isn't it sweet? Guys, it's a school night, so we can't go too long, but I figured Lorenzo's trying to hook fish in our intro. Guys, we're trying to catch fish, and we got a bucket full of live shrimp. We are here, we're gonna fish for an hour or so as the sun is going down and see what we can catch. We're hopefully gonna get some snapper, some sheep's head, snook, who knows, guys.
I hope we get a snook.
Hope we get a snook. Guys, let's see what we can catch. Sophie, what do you think?
Hey, that's my best cast today. Yeah, Sophie. Woohoo!
Best cast today. All right, guys, let's see what we can catch on my birthday. Happy birthday, me.
We're ramping the boat right now. That's a small boat. This is what not to do, people.
All right, guys, at Watch Your Lip, we are committed to give you real fine household experiences. I mean, the good, the bad, and the ugly. So this is a little bit of ugly. What you're about to see is a boat ramp fail. It was a spring tide, which means dead low tides are really, really low. And you can see that the green algae on the ramp, I mean, it was dead low tide. And backed the boat down. I probably backed it a little further than I needed to, but I never thought that the trailer tires would go off the back end of the ramp. I never thought that it would be that low. So
he's hanging onto the rope. So when we release the boat, that it doesn't go away. What's wrong? It's really low.
Oh, Papa, you should stop. Seriously. Oh my God.
What? Poppy? Something's wrong. Look at the trailer. It's completely sunk.
Papa, your tires are slipping.
Oh no. So guys, this is what happened. So
You got it.
okay, we got it. But what happened was this ramp is like super slippery and it had ditches, like it was like slanted, so like our whole trailer like got sunk, like it sunk in the water. And so when my dad tried to pull it out, like our truck out, because we released the boat, when he tried to pull it out, it was so slippery. Huh?
you okay?
I'm good. It was so slippery that like he couldn't get it out. Like his tires were like spinning, but they didn't help. So but we got it out. So let's do it again. Go.
All right, guys, so did you like video that whole thing?
Yeah,
Okay.
I just explained it, but okay.
Yeah, well, it looks like I had the boat, the trailer for the tire actually went off the back of the ramp. That was a little nerve-wracking. Were you nerve-wracked?
He almost fell. Like he was walking down to get the boat, and he was like,
Dude, that was crazy. So, Sophie, let's go fish, huh? All right, so guys, that was way more stressful than I thought it would be. We have a moon tide, or actually a spring tide, full moon, and the Marine Patrol officer, the Fish and Wildlife officer, just told us that this ramp is super slippery. Literally, our boat trailer tire came off the back of the concrete ramp. That's why the trailer went completely underwater. So that was a little bit stressful, to be quite honest with you. I think I put it down too far anyway.
I told you to stop.
I know you did.
Stop.
You did. You
Stop.
did. You did.
Go away.
So now, Priscilla, you're a stressful girl, man. I tell you. All right, Lorenzo, look how low that tide is on those rocks. So those rocks, where you see that line, that's where the tide comes up to normally. So usually it's another 4.5 feet deeper. That would be a great place to fish, right off those rocks right there. Yep. All right, we're gonna go right into these waves. All right, boys and girls, we are here. Inlet's right there, Hillsborough Inlet. We got some live shrimp. Let me see that bad boy, Lorenzo. Got some live, whoop. Yeah, that just happened. And we're gonna start fishing and see if we can get us a sheep's head or a snook or something. Something.
And it is snook season.
And it is snook season.
Last time I caught fish without weights on them.
Here.
Into the unknown.
Make it happen, Sophia.
Where's the... There's a shrimp back down in the middle of the circle.
Oh, I have a huge fish on.
Huh?
Actually, I have a huge fish on.
Do you really?
Yeah.
Fish on for Lorenzo.
Is your GoPro rolling?
It is rolling.
Actually, I don't think it is.
What do you think it is then?
I don't know. I just have a huge cup.
You have a fish or not?
Oh my gosh, I am so
Dude,
disappointed.
pork fish.
What is that?
Porky. Oh, Lorenzo. That's a porky.
Yeah.
Back.
He's
Save the bait.
Save the bait!
Save the bait.
I'm
All
actually
right,
gonna
good.
use that same.
You're gonna use the same bait? All right,
Are
that's
they good
good.
eating or no?
No, we're gonna toss him
Okay.
back. Porky.
Goodbye.
Bye, Porky.
Use it.
Use the same one?
Grab the shrimp for me.
Come on, baby, you can do that. I'm videoing and stuff. There it is.
There it is.
And there.
He fought so hard. Save the bait!
Save the bait.
I'm getting hit.
No, you're gonna. What do you got here, bud? Lane snapper.
Lane.
Lane
How big does it
snapper.
have to be? That
Way bigger than that.
Okay.
That's a cute little guy, though. Little lane snapper. Gotta be. I think they have to be 8 inches, but he's like 6. So.
Yeah, he's 7.
Yeah. So peace out, Laney. Good, man. We're catching fish. Sun's starting to go down, guys. You guys got school tomorrow, so we gotta make this quick. Let's get some fish. Look at all the shrimpies, guys. We gotta go throw those baits. Let's get something.
Dude, you can really hear him.
Oh.
Fish on. Don't
Oh, I got a fish. Finally.
Double header.
Hold on.
That's
No. Hold on. I got a fish. I got a fish.
Oh, that's you.
All right. So you have to just bear with me for a second.
Yeah.
This fish is digging, man.
Yeah, see this.
Come on, baby.
I hope it's a stick.
No.
It's another,
Watch out. Watch out. It's a.
I caught that fish. Huh. What?
It's a.
What is that?
I think it's a porgy.
I'm at it.
I got him. You gonna net him? All right, we got him. It's porgy.
Sorry. Are they
Porgy.
good to eat?
I think so, actually.
Yay!
Here, let me try and get your thing out.
How many do they have to eat?
That's a great question. Okay,
Bow.
got a porgy in the pot. Well,
12 inches?
12 inches.
Look at that.
All right. You made it. You got 2.
Here. I hope I
Thank
get
you.
a fish. It's okay, some of you will.
Keep getting it out there, girly girl.
Just leave it in there, you will. Oh. What's down there? Yeah, I found the honeycomb problem.
Sophie, what's going on, girl?
Okay.
shrimp fishing might seem like it's all fun. And it is stressful. But it's stressful getting the bait over and over again.
Yeah, they keep eating your bait and casting them off. Careful, buddy.
And yes! He hit it! I hit it!
The dinner bell. He hit the
Dinner bell.
the idle speed no wake sign is the dinner bell. Come on, guys. You guys got about a half hour, and then it's time to go to bed.
The bed.
So yeah, you got school, man. All right, Lorenzo finally has. That's a huge fish, dude.
That might be 8 inches.
No, not even. Sophie's got a rockfish.
No, I hit the sign and it got stuck on the wood.
Yeah, you got a rockfish.
No, look. You see that? It's not even in the water. It's not
Oh,
even
my
in the
goodness.
water. I just hooked it through the nostril.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah, I hooked it through the nose.
I literally
Nice
see
on
it.
lane
You
snapper.
guys see it? It's right there. Hubby, look. Hubby,
good luck with that, buddy boy.
hubby. Look, if you zoom in,
Yeah, I
you
can't.
see the sign.
I see it, honey.
No, and you see the shrimp dangling at the on
Ready?
the top of the wood.
Go.
See it? Look, where the sign is. Snapper.
All right, Lorenzo's
Look,
got another. What do you got?
Run.
Grunt. All right, so you got 2 lanes, a pork fish, and a grunt, Lorenzo. Sophie, goose egg so far. I'm here tying you a new rig.
Nope.
All right, Lorenzo's finally got a fish. You got a fish?
Mango.
Mango? Is it a mango?
Yeah, it's a mango.
All right, so Lorenzo's got 3 snapper on the day, 1 keeper lane, a throwback lane, and a throwback mango.
Oh, man.
Yeah, he's a throwback,
Wait, I need light though.
100%.
If someone hit me a bait, it's too far.
It's too far. You know, it'd be amazing.
Wait, but I need light.
It'd be amazing if I hook up a fish with the rod in between my legs.
No, it's 9. Ugh.
Yeah, that happens.
Can you hit me a bait?
Bye, mango. Okay, Sophia's got a fish, finally.
It's not a big one.
Well, it's something.
I see it. It's a big.
It's something. What do you got?
Schoolmaster.
Schoolmaster.
Keeper. Keeper.
Schoolmaster, Soph.
That's
Is it a
because
keeper?
I am a schoolmaster. Ooh.
You got hooked him?
Yeah.
Measure him. Give him some slack, Soph.
Give him touch.
Soph, you got a schoolmaster.
Give me what? How big?
I'll have to check. I think they're 10.
That hurt.
You might be short.
Yeah, they're 10. He's 9 he's 9.5.
9.5.
No!
You need pliers?
Yeah. Stupid.
All right. Well,
schoolmaster.
Sophie, at least you're not skunked.
Yeah.
You got a schoolmaster.
We got a schoolmaster.
We got 4. We got actually 3 different species of snapper.
Look at it.
That's not bad, huh?
Yeah, I don't
See?
think we're gonna get that out.
We're not getting that out?
Censored.
Here. Nice schoolmaster, Sophia.
Woo.
Nice schoolmaster. Lorenzo's got to get him up.
Yep.
Nice. All right, he's gone. All right, so guys, what do you want to do? Do you want to try and fish here more, or do you want to go to other bridge?
Bridge. Hey y'all! Thanks so much for watching, and happy birthday to my daddy, which is Watch Your Lip Apparel.
Wham! WatchYourLip.com. Get them while they're hot.
All of these things. Yeah, but it is my dad's birthday, February 10th, 1967.
Oh.
1978.
78. Thank you, Lorenzo.
You're not that
Yeah,
old.
that gives me the age. Guys, we're waiting on a train.
We've been waiting here for 10 minutes.
Yeah, we're trying to get home. We're waiting on this
For
train,
10 minutes.
and then,
No joke.
and it's literally the only thing that's in this world that's slower than I am right now. Yep, that's a train just going super slow. But we figured we'd do our outro. We're sitting here. Oh, I was rolling. Let's do our outro. What do you think? So, Sophie, what was your experience like tonight?
Wait. You know what's sad to say?
Tell me what's
Our
sad.
biggest fish was 12 inches.
Our biggest fish was 12 inches, but we did get a porgy, keeper porgy, a keeper lane snapper.
Yeah.
We got something to fillet, right?
I've
And
never even tried lane snapper.
Sophie, did you caught a fish, right?
I did.
You did.
I caught one fish, and I'm so proud of it. But
What was it?
8 inches.
It was 8 inches. What was it? A
It
lake?
was
Schoolmaster.
Schoolmaster. Yeah, she caught up to Schoolmaster. Guys, but we did get 3 species of snapper, which was pretty cool. We got lane snappers, mangrove, and a Schoolmaster. And a porgy, which is actually pretty good to eat.
Yeah, so guys, don't forget to subscribe down below and click it's like red. Like, yeah? Okay. So,
Yes!
Yeah, and click the bell notifications to get notified when we post our awesome new videos. And look what I got my dad for his birthday!
This is what I get for my birthday. Can you believe this? Guys, comment down below what you would say if you got this for your birthday. What do you
He
think? Len?
loves it.
I would probably say, oh wow, thank you.
Yeah, thank you a lot. Lorenzo, you've been awfully quiet, buddy. What do you think?
Today was the more of experience day because
Yeah.
it was the first
Trial
time
run.
Yeah, so here's the deal, guys. We took our boat out on the Pompano, on this ramp in Pompano here for the very first time.
It's finished.
And no, it's still
No, it's
going.
still going.
It's still going. The train's still going. But we actually had a little bit of an issue there, didn't we?
What?
With the boat, getting the boat.
Yeah, my dad's tires got stuck because he went to like.
Well, I guess it was it's a spring tide, and the ramp, the water level's so low, it was low tide, dead low tide. And when I backed the trailer down, the back of the tires of the trailer went off the back of the ramp.
It's done.
It might be done, dude. It is done. But we got it out without incident. Trailer's fine, boat's fine. Lorenzo, did you have fun?
I had fun.
Sophie, did you have fun?
I had fun.
I had a blast. It's my birthday. There's no better place we would rather be
Like, you can do all day.
than fishing with my kids on my birthday. But it is a school night, and it is almost 8 o'clock. We just blew a half hour waiting for the
You
stupid
should've
train.
skipped school and then
Um,
do it in the morning.
But you have a homework pass, right, Lorenzo?
Yes, I do.
Okay, guys, comment down below if you think trains are annoying.
Sorry if you're a train conductor.
Yeah, train conductor. Hey guys, till next time,
Watch your lane. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.
happy birthday me. Okay, so we are gonna see how much poo weighs. It weighs about 2.5 pounds. That's a 2.5 pound poo. Very proud of my poo. Guys, thank you so much for making my birthday so memorable. Guys, love you. Love you guys. Love you, babe. Guys, kids, you're awesome. I'm playing with poo, weighing poo while I'm driving a boat on the back. That's so safe.
Let me see.
Love it.